is the most important week for earnings. Let's see how the market's trading on the weekend update. Okay, friends, let's talk about the market. Here's what you need to know. First up, market looks great. So here's the market the way we've always been looking at it. Red is the S&P 500. This yellow line that you see here is our 50-day moving average. Purple is the 200-day moving average. And what do we see? Continued forward progress. So the market continues to go higher, although not this week. But we continue to make good progress on both the 50-day and the 200-day. And these are really the things that I'm cluing in. Gives me a sense of where the market trend is. As long as these lines, both this gold and this purple line, continue to have this upward slope, continue to march higher, I think we're in really good stead. If I were to talk about the week for a little bit, it was the most important week for earnings. A lot of the Mag 7 has reported now. And one of the things that's happening today, obviously Amazon had a fantastic report, but one of the interesting things that's happening today, and I know you've heard me say this before, I've said that, earnings season is nice because it's the point in time where stocks get to actually touch the economy or their economic fundamentals, and we get to sort of see how things are going. And normally when you hear me say that, it's, maybe like a harbinger of doom sort of thing, when I'm saying, hey, the economy's pretty weak here, so we're going to see an earnings season. Some of these guys are going to get hurt. That you've probably heard that from me, I don't know, at least 50 times now. But today actually shows the opposite of that effect. So what happened yesterday is we had a terrible day in the market. And one of the reasons why we had a terrible day in the market was because there was tremendous jitters about an Iranian response to the Israel strike. All we have right now are rumors. Now, you know how I feel about geopolitical events. And unfortunately, if we get a strong response, this blows a hole in they're having a managed conflict theory. But what's happening today is, after that, all those fears absolutely sank the market. It was a really weird day. There was just strong selling pressure basically all day. And then what happened? Well, the market closed and Amazon said, hey, the packages keep coming. And they had a really fantastic earnings report. And now the market is having a very nice bounce here. I don't think it's surprising that the market came down to the 50-day. And I don't think it's surprising that the 50-day is where the bounce came. That's actually what's supposed to happen, as the market continues to chug higher. This really, I don't know necessarily that I want to call it a test just yet. It sort of came down and gave it a kiss. Still completely normal behavior. The market does this all the time. The uptrend is still intact. But what I think today is showing us is the other side of stocks touching their economic fundamentals. Amazon had great economic fundamentals, and so because of that, we're willing to look past some of these geopolitical jitters. And I think there's good reason to do that. You know me, the geopolitical stuff very rarely actually creates economic damage. So market looks good. Next week, we'll do the news review. Let's unpack all of the earnings and see what it tells us about the economy, and enjoy your weekend. Take care. Okay, friends, that was the video. Hope you liked it. If you found it informative, good, entertaining, I'd love if you could scroll down here beneath the video and give me a like there. It helps us out with the algorithm. And then if you want to be notified first of anything new that we upload to the channel, if you come over here, click subscribe, you'll be the first to know as soon as we upload anything. Appreciate it. See you soon.